Big up Crosses TV.
Big up Crosses TV. One and only Crosses TV. You don't know what bad about you, know.
About you is good. Your mouth know your fucking hole. You suck cocky just like me, Puss, and you still cannot hold. How much fucking years done you? Your hole's not good. At least when we break up with somebody, them now come done me, suppose your hole not good, babes. Shut up. Nourish your mouth. The man where you look after never have no fucking gratitude for you. Go away. Go away.
Puss under you too black.
Time I watched the videos of you and Indian, I felt sorry for you, forcing up yourself on the fucking man. Go away, Puss. You embarrass yourself all the time. I'm only 43. I've still got it all left in me. My just a blood clot learn now, Puss. You are an embarrassment. Stop coming for me, Puss. You're an embarrassment, bitch. You're embarrassing. Stop it, man.
Nasty Puss.
Puss, you reach out England and you're still going for people in Jamaica. You don't understand yourself. Puss, you don't understand yourself. I don't know who you need to go to and get a little understanding, but you need to understand yourself. You reached here because you wanted a better life, but yet you're still sitting down here dunning people that are trying to get what you've got. Puss, you don't make sense. What do you mean I chat too much? Of course I'm gonna chat. I'm a big woman. You're not arguing with some fucking idiot out here, Puss. I'm a criminal just fucking like you, dumb bitch. I'm a criminal just like you dumb fuck. Shut up, Puss.
Yeah, I tell you, Puss me need to warn you. And tell you, I never send nobody for you. And you send everybody for me, not dirty Puss. Nasty Puss. And your catch is too blood clot black.
Puss, you're not a bad girl. Puss, you're not a bad girl. When I was running around in 1990s and that, Puss, you're not a bad girl. Don't know nothing about you, Puss. Fuck off, Puss. You're not no bad girl. True, you walk around with certain of us bad girl. Puss, you ain't no bad girl for me. Puss, you're not no bad girl for me, and you fucking know that. And you definitely ain't no bad girl for my mother neither. You know who she is. Puss, you're not no bad girl in these fucking streets. Puss, fuck off, fam. Puss, you're not a bad girl in these streets. I don't know why you're trying to make out that you're something that you're not. Yes, I'm crazy, Puss. I'm fucking tapped.
Mad.
I'm fucking tapped, Puss. This kind of tapness that I've got, you fucking wish you had. Puss, you're not a bad girl in these streets. You never fucking was, Puss. Go away. You hold amount of things for man and you use your pussy. Puss, you're not a bad girl. Go away, Puss. You ain't no bad girl in my fucking books, Puss. Go away. When we were out there, where was you? Shut up, Puss.
Them the Puss in a hostile.
What if Puss have her house and her grandkids and the amount of cocky she had to suck and fucking dick she had to take in her arsehole to fucking get that? So what? Anybody can have that. Puss uses the council houses that she gets in England, uses them, and then she loses them. I don't have time for Puss. Come on, people. Remember, she's not from here. I'm born here. She's not born here. So she's supposed to have what she fucking got back home. Don't be stupid now.
We not talk about back home. We not catch this yet. We talk about in England, which Uku tell me say she has sleep in a hotel and all kind of different thing region.
For fucking man. For man. Battery fucking dolly. For man.
Uku me rub you out in the night, you know, go.
You know, see it for yourself where you have to come on blood clot name. You know, have glass for see for your
fucking
blood
man.
Yourself, you see your mouth long. Where you have to come on blood.
Fucking duppy back. For man. I don't give a shit any of you talking. None of you don't know me, but I know that asshole that you're all backing. You see that nastiness Puss that you're all fucking backing? I know it too fucking well, and Puss ain't got nothing on me, bro. Do you understand me? Puss ain't got nothing on me.
On Rubbin's was there.
The fuck? And don't you see, I don't even have to get that angry with her. Where's she gone? Where's she gone? I don't even have to get that angry with you, Puss. You've always been a joke. She has always been a joke. I don't know why you're over here trying to go on like you're big and important. Puss, you have always been a fucking joke. In real life.
Tell you, Puss, the one, you know.
Fucking Warner too.
From there, nobody now see Judah, you know. Nobody now see Judah, nobody now see her. Cause she busy over there and get fucked.
Oh, shut up, and Puss's voice is deeper than mine. Go and suck your man, my girl. The fuck you doing over here?
How that?
And Puss's voice is deeper than mine. I just woke up. Shut up.
Remove them now.
Yeah, remove that, man.
What them name are?
Chippa. Chippa. More you for starting up, because nobody leave nothing for Judah, you know. You Puss a deal with it all. So
Puss can't talk to me, and that Puss too black. They are black woman.
She said you call her. Tell the people them say she blood clot.
You see what Puss called me over there for banter me yesterday. But what Puss don't understand is I'm not stupid. You see when I come up on the live and Marilla say I banter me, you will get cussed too, Puss. It don't go like that. Oh. You don't call me over to fucking turn me into some dickhead. So you see when I'm done clarting for clot, Puss I get clot. I don't run them joke that I don't bring Puss over to my life to disrespect her. When Puss comes over my life, she don't get disrespect. So why the fuck are you bringing me over your life to disrespect me for? So disrespect for blood clot, disrespect. But the only difference is Puss has got a whole heap more shit going on in their closet than I have. There's the difference. And some girls don't understand themselves.
Wait there, Chippa Vice Cartel over here. Your life connect, Chippa. Your life a star, Chippa. So Vice Cartel there. The one Gaza there.
You know, see, Diary all apologize to me because Diary says she never realized it. I got this way, and Judah, and I got an apology. Thank you. Calm. Say no more. See you, Puss.
Puss, fuck off.
Right, that's song.
That me I tell you, Puss. Then, and no matter what go on, Puss, you see, but you can't really disrespect my people.
No one cares. Puss needs validation from everybody over here. I don't need validation from them people here over here. I don't need to be on my head top with my crutches out the door for people to know so I'm still sexy, Puss. I don't need to be doing that. I don't need anybody to validate my sexiness or my womanliness.
But you never see her.
I'm glad you know. And you are never going to see me in that position unless you're fucking me. There's no need for it. Puss needs validation all day long over here. I don't need nobody to validate who I am as a woman, Puss. There's the difference with me and you, Puss. I don't need validation from them over here. I'm good. And those that know me know so I'm good and I'm clean. Move your blood clot, Puss.
Yes. Yes. We get put in our place, man. Too much money. I said, Puss not have no.
And that's what I asked her yesterday. For real, a pair of blood clot that can show me underneath it. I'm tired of you people that won't fucking bathe properly or won't even take care of yourself. You people are following a woman that has no self-respect for herself or won't take care of herself. I'm not on this. I'm not doing this with a woman that has no self-respect for herself. She's got no self-love going on over there and you're coming for me, Puss. Puss, I worked on myself. I was a big blood clot girl. I'm going to bring down my size, Puss. You can't come for me, bitch. Go and get some validation from your fucking self. Love yourself, Puss, and stop coming for me. Big fucking woman at your age and you still haven't even learned to love yourself yet. Fuck off, Puss, man. You don't think that loves itself.
I was showing the leggings them you have here.
Who, me?
I'm always I
mean,
you want to shit, do that, I got course, so you go on.
Can't cuss me. Can't cuss me. She can't cuss our people. Can't cuss who she cuss.
She just doesn't get it. She just doesn't get it. She don't get it. And for her to come for me is straight up fucking jealousy.
Me.
Straight up jealousy. Ain't nobody following you over here. We were all here before you. We were all here before you, Puss. We've all been here for 4 years. Where were you? We were all here before you, Puss.
Thank
you. And she talks like she's been here for years. We've all been here for 4 years. Where were you, Puss?
Your big years.
Puss talks about me like she doesn't know me, people. She can talk all she fucking want. I'm gonna mud up her blood clot shit because Puss is nobody. Go away, Puss. Fuck's sake. And then you have them people that will have buy up things to try and make themselves look like them as somebody, but nobody's no. You're just nobody. Go away, bro.
Tell him we not bring it down.
Tell the window open.
Tell him I think coffee team, you know. Remember me the totally, you know. So you can't send to Munchie them and the work of them now, you know.
Oh, fuck Munchie. Fuck
okay,
fucking Munchie.
My friend. Big head bomb buckler, man, junkie, fuck, stop. We do the bad.
Chippa, nobody call people name, cause tomorrow you're up on the people them life, they can't see them.
Fearless. If you notice me not black, you know. But me tell you this, I'm tell you this, brother. Because name out your mother, your father, your sister, and everybody.
But Phyllis, you can fucking talk. You can talk, but you're there with that big old nasty blood clot woman then name Puss. Phyllis, you're not ashamed. You're not a blood clot shame.
Nobody not shop at no just right. Nobody not shop at no just right.
Make her go. She like mine, man. Me not wrong him. She like mine, man. But you see, man like Phyllis will always look at sexy blood clot girl on the side. Go away, bitch. Go away.
That's why I'm there with Mafia.
Oh,
Mafia, take care of me.
Fuck this now. Will you stop calling up Mafia's name? You stop calling up Mafia's name.
I send blood clot stay. If I'm going to call up him blood clot teeth in his head, I say him stay. I love call up people name and put pressure upon people. And the people them over there start classing him, not class the people them back.
I class you all fucking back. I class you all fucking back.
But me not talk about you, Mama.
No, I'm not talking about you neither.
Me class in different. I'm calling back in my
I'll class them all back over here. Fuck's sake.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for them all to come in. I'm waiting for them all to. Well, enough people seen it already. Don't you see? Nobody ain't fucking interested. Everybody fucking knows me already. Puss, you're vexed. And I know you're vexed.
Miss Wang,
wrong woman. Wrong woman, Puss. Wrong fucking woman.
Okay, you know, when tell you know,
wrong fucking woman. I'm in these streets. I'm tired of you dumb bitches over here selling everybody a narrative like you're nice. I'm in these streets. Puss, fuck you and fuck all the people them that follow you and want to go like that. None of them ain't even fucking on your side, Puss. Go away, you dead bitch.
Fearless, nobody cares about your just right fashion.
You're done out here.
I'm gonna say
unpin that.
Okay, Fearless, write this down. Yeah. Big up your team. Big up your team.
Can fuck off, you get me?
Right.
You don't know. And this is my deal. You don't know I love. That I love.
You can fuck off same way, but we're gonna pin your business.
Yeah. We're gonna give you a little highlight. We're gonna give you a little highlight. And yeah. But, right.
Fuck off, Fearless.
But look like catch call for that fucking.
Yo, me eat Chippa, you know.
I'm people support you, you hear that?
Just realize it.
Yes, people shop at just right fashion. Get the just.
Yeah, no, you people them. What them call himself? The dollies them will follow Puss. Una wicked, una can't tell your friend to go up on a blood clot ventilator at night time to help herself to fucking breathe. Huh? You people are wicked, you know. Some friend of blood clot enemies over there. Una can't tell, say the woman can't breathe. Una can't hear, say the woman can't breathe, and you're all over there listening to her snoring at fucking night time. Listening to the woman nearly almost choking. And none of you people can't put this woman on a fucking diet.
That's true.
No, I'm not in the mood. I'm gonna give you people facts over here. I don't have time to cuss about fucking big pussy and them something there. This woman needs to go on a diet. She needs to sleep with a fucking ventilator, oxygen at night time, and you can fucking hear it on her. And she's got time to be coming for me, and you're almost dying, bitch. No, Puss, you're dying, bitch. The bitch is fucking dying. You find it hard to fucking breathe, but you've got time to sit down on a live and come for nice blood clot me. For fuck's sake. Go show you how wicked. No, stop laughing, you. Go show you how wicked these people are. She's on her fucking deathbed. She's on her fucking deathbed, and she's still got time to come for me.
Puss, I did one, you. Big
up yourself.
Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. No one, you. I said, don't come at me. So you never talk. And so now you spice attack. Me tell you that we just take things easy. But me know my team have to come at you, dirty puss. You black. I mean, I have no problem with no black woman. But under you.
Nah, she keeps sitting over on her live, Troy. She keeps sitting over her live and telling lies about me.
Leak. Puss, if you cash up me £50 right now, play the video for your leak. I'm sure you some bad like blood clot that. If you cash up me now.
We cash up your $50.
No, me deal with things.
What's up your cash up?
Then, right, blood clot.
Send me the video now. You will leak it for free. I'll leak it for free. I don't even want a payment. Fuck that shit. Just send me the video.
What do you talk about Batman thing and anything there?
Send me the fucking video. I'll leak it for free.
Send out the video.
Waste gal puss. Waste gal puss. You should have never fucking come for me. Aisha, are you fucking mad, puss? Are you fucking mad, puss? You came for me, puss, of all fucking people. Are you dumb?
So Chippa, oh, she call you and she knows that you have video with her leak. And she has style you.
Me can play the video with her, yeah. Puss need to go a doctor. Or the optician people, them what them call it. To pick up herself.
Give thanks every day, darling. Give thanks every day, darling. Have to. I'm blessed with 5 kids. I have to give thanks. And 1 grandbaby. When I don't get this twisted, I'm a big woman in this. I got grandkids too. I got a grandchild too. Puss is not the only grandmother out here. I have to give thanks to everything I receive. This is why I don't understand what's wrong with this woman.
Nah,
Puss is a grandmother.
I'm a grandmother too.
In Judah.
Puss.
But she don't have a grandmother house. To carry the grandpick them in the house.
Puss, don't let me come at your Puss. Yeah, me I tell you. I've
been a parent for 27 years. It's not just now. I've been a parent for 27 years. Yeah, I'm big on the stop.
Okay. I'm sending my blood clot G right now. Because my G no care prisoner. Post me say leave me alone and leave my team alone.
I don't want this. We're happy with a couple people that were watching it. We don't want the number. You see them numbers there? We're not really interested in this. We sit down over here every day and have a little 20 and whatever people are watching. We're good. At this Puss war.
We don't care about number. We don't care about number. We don't care about number.
I can go live already on TikTok.
Remember say, once me and you and Spice and Chevy them over there, me good. I don't want no numbers.
Fucking
You know me I
numbers,
say?
bro. I'm on
Everybody
big.
good.
I'm on
Yeah.
TikTok. This is not about. She wants the clout. She can have it, bro.
Alright then,
She
cool.
can have it.
And that you want.
Thank you.
You know, can't take it then if you want it. We're not too busy, but once me and Chevy them and Jordan them on live, me go down hook with them and the people them who me rap with, you know, who rub me out. Yes, my little people them good. What
This
the
ain't
fuck?
fucking rubbing me. Ain't fucking rubbing me. Fuck off, Puss. Fuck you, fam.
But Puss not no man. As if know herself. No, seriously.
Hey,
She need to know herself because she can't come size up her little blood clot. And I Puss to black blood.
you just step on that, sir.
Chippa, you have blood clot.
Chippa.
No, dude.
I say it, you know,
He just
blood clot.
lying.
Nice,
You
no
can't
more.
take
No.
the fabricating. You can't take the
You are
fabricating.
going. You are going. You are going. You are going. You see me? It's a different thing because I can't expose people. You get me? Me have it, but I can't give you no video still.
London music, big up yourself, girl.
Send me the video and I'm watch.
How come
Send me the video.
I not have your WhatsApp? So
WhatsApp.
stop, man. People feel like to me and you talk and everything. You know what I'm saying? Bill no be? What the fuck wrong with you?
I said it in my DM.
Nah, man, nah. How come I worry about your blood clot all night, you know? Come find us every minute.
You can't run. You forgot for Puss first. You forgot for Puss
Nah, man.
first. You can't
We're
run
up, we
me.
run 5 days. Then we lower. But no. And Judah, may I beg you please stop. Cause Spice tell me something. Spice says sometimes you don't know what kind of hard problem people could have and them thing there. And we have to be careful what we do to people. Me make sure you end up in the
I'm
hospital.
not, because I'm saying you can hear she has a heart problem. I'm giving her
No, but
awareness of her heart problem,
you have to be
and she needs
careful,
to stop.
Judah, we can go to prison for them things. I remember say, we make sure you end up in the hospital the other day. And then say,
So what you say?
must stop.
Me I gotta get her high blood pressure, and me when I try to put that pan, and me.
You know, I'm carrying a prison, we can't have a prison. Spice says she want extra dried for.
You can't go
Spice says she
prison.
want get.
You
Spice
can't go
says she want
prison.
get extra dried from Jamaica to England. She want get extra dried. See, I thought Spice. See what I say? So me.
Chippa send me the video and stop laughing, my
I'm
youth.
cold.
I'm
Really
people
cold.
them want. I'm
Alright, if
prison
any
sentence.
of you lot are really taking this shit serious, I beg you don't take none of this shit serious. Ain't nobody licking nobody in their mouth. I ain't got time for it. This is Instagram, people. This is fucking Instagram. Yeah.
Yeah. That's right, isn't it? Because I don't like so we are dealing. I don't know how violent we are dealing with. You get me? I want to push the start there though.
I'm good.
She not
Say
what?
106. I'm good, girl. I'm good, man. Good.
Are you mean she should not bed?
I saw Spice tell me.
Good.
Yeah, man, has to be myself.
Why you love call people name?
No, man, I'm my sister name. I'm my auntie. I'm my niece. Auntie.
Hey, blood.
Yeah, everything for me. Brother, everything. Spice tell me, say.
Big up yourself.
Spice tell me, say. Spice tell me, say, Puss now bed.
Jesus Christ.
Because a Spice have a whole live video them which part and that Puss. And that Puss black between her leg them. Because she play it, make me see it, then she delete it. But me screenshot it though. Me have it still, you know, but me not ready. Anyhow, she not start paying me every week £100 in that trouble, you know.
It was the extortion, yeah,
You should turn off
yeah,
the
he's running
fucking camera,
extortion.
bro.
Be a
Right,
fucking
let's
go
Oh
see.
with that. Be a fucking go
Let's
with see.
No, but this
your
is what
sister,
I
you
want
know,
people
your
to
sister,
see.
you know,
This is
real.
what she can't manage. This is what Puss doesn't like. Yeah?
No forward. You must
That
me not call
people
nobody name.
love to
Puss things
run
for
you
beard.
up.
I'm gonna
But
just
her joke is not funny.
yeah
She's a
man.
demon, man. Fuck that Puss.
Me.
Fucking demon.
Kapus, and them thing you like it, so me will give it blood clot. Me will give it. Me will give it. You see, sometimes me see you the post and you rub me off for 2 weeks straight and me a watch you, you know. Then you go say me go link up with handicap, you know. When you say me turn star, then me will fall back now. I'm gonna tell you something, now fall back. Zane, I'm gonna tell you something, now fall back.